guys, welcome back to my video Prince Luxurial and Virtuoso channel. Well, this channel is new and you're invited it. So, today, this channel is called Prince Art because bro, how about this? My sister. Bro, just get up, please. Just get up, please. Just get up, please.
I cannot. Do I want to pee? The
Get
car
up.
is so annoying.
Just get up, please. So, this channel is Prince Art, which is you can learn to draw with me. So, before we draw, let's please subscribe, like, share, and comment below what your drawing is, because if you're subscribed to me, you gotta show me your drawings in real life. Real. I'm not lying, bro. It's true. You're going to show me in the comments. So let's go start. So our accessories: piece of eraser, a pencil, a ball pen. My sister is coming back. So this a sheet of paper. Oh my god. So let's go start. First we need draw a circle on the sheet of paper. Right in the middle. A circle. Just like that. Circle. After that, we're going to draw a pointy cheek. The side and the pointy, like this. After that, we're going to connect that on the cheek. And after that, we are going to draw a nose. Just like that. Just like this. Just like that. You see it? Comment below if you see it, because I really don't know if you see it. So, after that, we're going to draw a anger face. Comment down below. Comment down below what am I drawing. Think, guys, think. Just like that. Bro, you're crazy, man. And after that,
eraser?
and after that, we're going to draw a angry eyes, like that. See it, guys. See it. And after that, we're going to go draw eyes. The eyes. Like that. After that, we're going to draw headband. Comment down below if what am I drawing kind of character in anime. That's the hint, right? You said you need a hint. You need the hint, right? This is the hint. A anime character from Demon Slayer. So guess it. Who is? I'm trying to draw. If I finish it, and if you try to pick out here, then you'll guess it. Who's the big fan? Comment down below if you are the big fan of Demon Slayer. Because me? A little bit, because I'm a huge fan of Jujutsu Kaisen. And then we're going to draw the hair after the headband. And we're going to draw the ear. Ear. Like that. Oops. I think the head should be done. Just like that. And after that, we're going to go to draw a curly hair. Like that. Like a spiky curly hair. I missed the other one. Start right here. All the way up until it's finished. And then we're going to draw a bunch of vines. Like when you get angry, like super angry, like you could smash a iPhone 15. You know what I mean, bro? You know what I mean? You know what I mean, bro? Yeah, you don't know what I mean. No, I'm really sad. I'm really sad you don't know what I really mean. Still watching TV, bro. After that, we are going to draw his neck. And we're going to draw his neck just like that. Like that. Let's go ball pen time. Is this right? Bro, I am serious here, bro.
Bro, you just do this to me.
And that's a learning.
That is what you're learning.
Stop
Talking.
You stop talking.
Why are you talking? You should stop.
Bro, I have a video right here, bro.
Video?
Do not disturb.
Oh, I know you have video because you have a phone right there now.
Bro, you can see your hand.
Huh?
See? It can see your
I'm just taking
Hair.
off some hairs.
I'm almost done, guys. Don't
Really?
worry. I'm almost done. Just tracing the hair. And I'm done. Now for the face. So the eyes. Oh my god. And all done. Just the details. And of course, I will show you right now. 3, 2, 1. Guess whose character is this in Demon is Slayer? Comment down below. Because this is just my first video of my new channel. So, subscribe, share, comment below. So, if you want to show me your drawing, you gotta subscribe first, because I need to go to 1000k subscribers. So help me to get in there, guys. Just help me, and I will help you to learn your mind. Bro, what am I thinking? Just bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Just joking. Bye-bye and subscribe.